Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Expedition EL. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 185,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.